Nangyari, habang naghihintay kami, anong pinuha ko? Kinton ramen, guys. Naglaro kami dun sa arcade sa taas.
Arcade?
Oo, nabudol kami ng 15. Alam mo kung ano napanalo na namin dun sa claw machine? Instead na yung malaking teddy bear ang ginugol ko dahil may katabi siyang mga balls. Anim na bola ang napanalo na namin ni Hailey. 15, budol. Pero at least...
Bumili ang ulam pala natin para bukas.
Ay, bahala na bukas. That's okay. Okay, bye-bye. Eto na, guys. Beef sa akin to. Ganda naman ang packaging nila, oh. But, yun. Kailangan lang yan. Ayan, guys. Beef original. Galing, ah. Fairness, eh. Ito dito kasi yun, may nakalagay na open. So, tatanggalin mo pala yan, and then parang kukut-kutin mo siya dito sa gilid para ma-open. Kay mama is pork. Yan! Pork! Original. Then, may 3 pieces karagi. Grabe. Salit pala yan. $9 yan. And then, kasama kaming gyoza. Good for 2 kami, eh. Inad ko lang. And then, may dalawang Sprite. That's it. Hindi na kami nag-dine in. Para walang tip. Ayan. To go na lang. That's what.
Kailangan yung ano yun? Yung
Pag yun eh. Baby burger steak. Tapos rice. Parang Jollibee talaga, oh.
Oo nga,
Spaghetti burger steak, oh. Hindi, may chicken sa Arroz ka. Hello guys, happy Wednesday. Ayan, iba ang ating background today dahil nandito ko sa lunchroom namin sa 29th floor. And kagagaling lang namin ni Harold ng ultrasound. So, hinatid niya ako dito sa work. And papasok ako ng 12 noon. So, kailangan ko na makakain ng lunch para tuloy-tuloy na ako until 4:30 later. So, 15 minutes na lang yung 8:88 ko. Ayan. Today, September 3. Ayan, mag-11 a.m. na. So, may 1 hour pa ako. Ayan. Insert ko na lang yung clip, guys, nung video and then picture na nakuha namin dun sa ultrasound clinic kasi pinayagan naman kami nung sonographer na mag-video and mag-picture after nung ultrasound. So, everything is normal. So, isend na lang daw yung result sa aking family doctor. Ayan. First time namin dun sa clinic. Dito yun sa downtown sa may Chinatown. So, maaga rin kami nagpunta para kasi kung maghihintay. Sakto parang magte-10. Tinawag na din ako. Ayan. Ako na muna and then after niya i-measure tapos mag-screenshot dun sa kanyang monitor. Tinawag na din si Harold para i-explain nga. So, ayun. Happy naman. Kaya, ayan. Back to work tayo, guys, mamaya. So, ayun lang aking update.
Getting sprung. We used to to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Happy Saturday! Ayan. September 6, time check, 11:13 a.m. Waiting kami makahanap ng parking spot. And andito kami sa Vancouver Aquarium. Dito yan sa loob ng Stanley Park. Si Hailey nakatulog. Kakatulog lang. Kaya hintayin namin ito magising. Bago kami bumaba.
Hindi yata.
Okay. Nagsabi na si ate na hindi daw sila aalis. Okay, let's change. Akala namin aalis na sila. Taga Washington pa. Ayun! Ayun!
Pero
Taga Washington
entry.
sila. Paano ang daan mo dun? Buckingham.
Pwede.
Backing. Yan o, alis na.
Isa to. Ito na tayo.
Ayan, dyan ka na. Abang ka na dyan.
Ay,
Yan, ayun. Yun na pala. May space. Dalawa pahan.
kakirang boy ako. Ikaw.
May batang tulog. Nakababa na kami. Maamos pa May hawak pa yung goldfish sa kamay. May dumaang seaplane. Malapit na rin kasi kami sa Canada Place. Ayan pagoda. Gising na din si Hailey. Ayan. 11:33 guys. Papunta na kami sa entrance. Ang daming nakapark. Halos puro pamilya. May mga batang maliliit din. Dahil nga Vancouver Aquarium, para sa mga bagets, ang pasyalan na to. First time naming lahat guys. Yan, biglaan lang. Dapat Whistler kami or Squamish, kaso 2 hours away ang Whistler sa amin. And si Harold galing pa siyang work. So, nag-alangan kami. Baka mamaya antokin siya. Ito mga 30 minutes drive lang. So, dito na muna kami. Wala kaming biniling ticket online. Nakalagay doon, buy your tickets and reserve your visit. Tignan natin kung makapag-walk-in kami. Yan, yung maririnig nyo guys, seaplane yan. Daming dumadaan dito. Ano lang. Ang dami namin kasabay papasok. Ayun na guys. Ito may mga nagse-set up dito oh. Mga painting yata yan. There you go. Vancouver Aquarium. May pila. Yan. Kailangan natin pumila. General admission. Haba oh. Hailey. Hiding na naman siya oh. May nakita lang bata.
Shy na.
Kaya nga eh. Ayan guys. May walk-in naman siguro. Ang ticket, kita ko, single day adult. Nasaan na yun? 49.48. Pag student ka, 43.52. Senior. Ay, pwede si mama sa senior. 43.52. Bata na 3 to 11 is 31. So, si Hailey libre for sure. Below 2. Ayan. Meron na silang membership oh. Platinum and silver and gold. Ayan. Here! Hailey! Walk ka na! Na yung fishy na agad oh. Hailey, look! Na, mag-shoes ka na, fishy.
Meron na ito eh, tingnan mo.
Saan? Tayo.
See? See the fish? Hi! Say hi!
Umpisa pa lang to, Hailey. Oh, natuwa ka na dito sa mga fish. Iba-ibang klase. Iba-ibang klase agad to.
Yeah, later. Let's go!
Entrance pa lang to, guys. Let's go. Later yan, exit na yan. Maglalakad na yan si Hailey. Fishy! Oh, say bye-bye first. Say bye-bye! See you later! Let's go. Let's look for other fish. Ayun, no, sa kabila naman, Hailey. Dun. Other side. Ano ba yan? Jelly? Ano? Konti dito. Ang galing, no? Starfish. Hailey, look here. Starfish.
There's Patrick.
Ito, the tropics. Naku, dami agad fish, Hailey. Dami, oh. Saan? Ayun yun, oh. Parang yung may pagka-red and orange.
Ano yan?
Ay, oo nga, oh. Ayun, oh. Sa baba. Nakaka-amaze din eh, no? Hailey, oh.
Parang uod.
Oo nga eh. Hey, fishy! Say hi, fishy! Dami din, no? Galing, no? Ano talaga na napapreserve. I know that one. Yun sa gilid, Han, basahin mo. Meron yata silang ano. Ayan, no?
Here.
Isda ba yun? Yung nakita pala namin, guys, spotted garden eel. First time namin makakita. Oh.
Ayan, litong starfish yun.
Tapos ito yung mga
Baby starfish.
explanation ng mga fish. Yan yung mga pangalan. No? Sand coral. Tuband. Ano yan? Anemone fish. Yellow. Let's go inside, Hailey. Let's go inside here. Mas marami pa dito, oh. Hailey, look, oh. Iiwan mo. Ayan, oh. Hailey, oh. Wow.
This turtle. Big turtle.
Where's the turtle? Ayun, dali, turtle.
Turtle. Big turtle, hi!
Uy, say hi, turtle. Turtle.
Turtle!
Hi, turtle.
Fish, oh.
What's that, fish? Dami doon, oh. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan, oh, mas malaki na, oh. Hailey, oh, look at that. Buhay din. Oo, siguro buhay din yan.
Parang hindi kumikilos.
Wala, na-freeze.
Na ano siya.
Yun, that one ng big fish, Hailey, oh. Ayun na, Hailey. There's the big fish. Natakot. Hailey, look. There's the big fish. Ay, say hi. Ayun na, big fish. Big fish, are you scared? Are you scared? You know? Ito, parang pompano, oh. Ayun pa, oh, mahaba, oh. Ayun, ano, sa taas. I know. Arwana ba yan? Laki, oh. Grabe. Ang dami dito. Africa's Combo. India's Western. Ay, ito, jellyfish. Ah, this one, Hailey. Wow.
Jellyfish.
Stay there, stay there.
There lang.
Stay there.
Go watch the jellyfish.
Picture mo siya. Hailey, oh. Nakatalikod. Go there, Hailey, go there. Go there. Hold, touch mo. Smile, cheese.
Smile.
Cheese.
Baby!
Yay! High five! High five, mommy! What's that? What's that? Jellyfish! Grabe yun. Jellyfish! That one, oh? Nakaka-amaze to, guys. Ang dami talagang species. Iba-ibang klase.
Grabe sa dami.
Oo nga, eh, no? Malula ka na sa mga fish. Oh, ito na may ibang klase, oh. Ayan, madilim nga lang. Hi!
Hi. Ayaw to.
Ayaw niya to. Asan dyan man ito?
Oh, yan.
Anong tawag dyan?
Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Mga peste yan sa ano eh.
Oh.
Mga kumakain ng isda.
So, pwede niya kainin yung mga yan?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Pero yung ibang isda.
Grabe.
Yes, that's a...
O yun o yung yellow
Starfish.
chocolate chip nga, oh. Sea star.
That's a starfish.
Blue-green. Damselfish. Ganda, oh.
Clownfish.
There's Nemo and Dory, oh. Wow. There, that's, yan, oh. Clownfish, blue surgeonfish. Gold tail. Oh, yan na si Nemo, Hailey, oh. Look. This is... picture. Yun na, Hailey, ang laki, no? Shark ba yan? Is that shark? You know?
Parang black tip siya.
Rip! Oh, black tip! Black tip.
May black tip.
Galing mo na. Ayun, oh. Galing na dati, oh. Shark! 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 Ayun, oh. There, oh. Whoa! Grabe. Ayun pa, oh.
Are you happy? Happy.
Mga ganun dito, buhay yan. Saan? Di. Uy, ayun, nailan ako. Yung sa Toronto na aquarium, may yung parang underground han. Tapos ganun, no, makikita mo.
Yun yun.
Ah, saan?
Yung nakikita natin sa TNT.
No.
Yung paigang isda. Yun yung flat na
Dami,
isda.
Yun, yung plat na yun?
Oh, kinakain yun. Ito TNT. Ayun ang fish oh.
There's fishy oh.
Tikya.
Bikya nga. Jellyfish bloom.
Wala yan, no? Nakatapo yan sa ano.
Oo. Malaki, no?
Malaki yan.
Kaya nga eh, oh.
Malaki yan.
Yan, oh. Bella, Bella. Lugar din yata yun, no? British Columbia, Vancouver Island. What's that, Hailey? Wow, ang laki, oh. Para namang ano to? Yung oh, yes, nasyadong isda. Labu-labu. Ayan, yung mga isda, guys. Mas maliwanag dito. Dami po. Botanical Beach. Quadra Island. Dami mo pang i-explore na mga island dito sa BC, oh. What's that? Oh, lucky! Ah, yung iba palang, mga isdahan walang eyelids. Yung mga island, guys, oh. Seashell, Inlet, Jervis Inlet, Burnaby Narrow, saka Port Hardy. Ayan, yung mga corals. Gaganda, oh. Ayan, oh. Another jellyfish, guys, oh. Ay, si Hailey, oh. Natutuwa.
One eternity later.
Please do so using the doors at the back of the theater at the top of the stairs. They will lock behind you, so don't forget anything you came in with. And also please be mindful to keep the aisles clear so that people have
Yun yung pinanood namin, guys, oh. The Great Salmon Run 4D Experience. Wala, may pila na? Ay, may pila na! Kanina, wala. 12:40 kami, eh. Ayan. Nagulat na kami doon sa pawisik-wisik ng tubig, eh. 4D, ang galing. Tapos, parang nanginginig or nagbabibrate yung upuan namin. Parang mga 20 minutes show lang din siya. Ayan. Dito na kami sa labas, guys. May mga show. Ayan, oh, Han. Meron dito, oh. Marine mammal. Wow. What is this?
Yeah, sea otter.
Huh?
Sea otter.
Oh.
Super soft.
What's the other show in there? What's the other show?
Sea lion.
Sea lion? There's a time?
I'm not sure what the time is.
Okay, I'll check it out. Thank you. Ayan na. Ayan, what's that, Lily?
Si otter.
Ah, si Otter? Ayan. Ayan, Lily. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Swim show.
Ay, natinan niya.
Ay, meron sa ilalim, man. Pwede ka pumunta sa ilalim, oh. Makikita mo. May tao doon sa ilalim. Ayun pa, oh. Doon sa kabila, oh.
Punta natin na
Yeah, punta natin doon.
Yeah, so they do kind of like continuously shoveling their hair. I actually, but they do like lose their hair from time to time. Rialto actually, I don't know where he is right now, but he might be over there. He has like patches on his skin. And he has kind of like a sort of like psoriasis in human form, but like in water. And they found something like that. One of the theories that people
Ganyan pala sila ka-playful.
Tingnan nga, oo nga, oo, ang dami, oo. Naglalaro parang daga.
Daga ng ano?
Malaki.
Dagat.
Oo. Grabe, oo. Laki na yan, oo. Ay, oo, naglalaro. Naglalaro siya. Ayan o. You see that? Sanay sa bulas mo. Bulas. Look, where is it? There,
가방에 넣었어? 엄마 가방에?
그냥 빠질 것 같아.
엄마 가방에 넣어.
엄마가 갖고 있을게.
아빠 가방에 넣어.
Hailey. Ah. No, lick mo muna yan. Oh, lick. Ah. Laki. Napakain sila eh. Ang dami. Ooh.
Wow. I can watch them all day. Watch out for other people to come in.
I agree with you on that.
Wow.
A little exercise instructions, hands to note, and they can crawl when they're all in groups, each one over as the rest that's not coming. And that way they can ensure everything's getting focused on one dominant.
The man moved away so your brother.
Yeah, me too.
说他吃的表感好就是了。
Nagsasunbaiting mo? Ayun no. Kita mo? Ayun no. Saan? Ayun no. Sunbaiting. Ayun no there. Kita mo? Oo. Ayun no. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Sa kabila.
Hindi.
That they overcame, and it's pretty interesting stories as to why they call Vancouver Aquarium home. Senator Cinco was rescued in 2017. He was actually found off the coast of the Spanish Mains, and he was actually rescued on Cinco de Mayo, hence his name. He is giving a beautiful demonstration of a California fully blinded as a result of those gunshots. He cannot see at all. He is completely blind.
So he got shot?
Yes, is actually using a specific tool called a target pull. So this target pull is actually the most commonly used tool that we'll use as the marine animal team here. It's basically an extension of our arm. It's a way for us to pass the animals to certain areas or to point them in a certain direction to give them an idea of what we're asking. Because Senator Cinco is blind, he relies on his sense of hearing in order to understand what we're asking of him. The cool thing about the incredible trusting bond that we build with these animals 3 times a day, 3 sessions a day, working with them really closely, is that he can actually be reinforced through doing the job like he just did with things like fish. So fish is a great reward for reinforcement for sea lions, and it is super duper just important for building that constant trust with these animals.
Here, mama, teka dito.
Because of that trust that we build, the relationship that we have with our animals here. You're actually seeing that happening anytime you watch a session, the trainers are working closely with the animals, that bond solidified and consistently forming. So Cinco in 2017 is called Vancouver Aquarium home because he cannot see. He was not able to thrive out in the ocean. He was actually deemed non-reachable by the Department of Fisheries and Oceans Canada. So he now calls Vancouver Aquarium home, and it's a second chance of me right now. We're in our smallest harbor seal in this habitat. This habitat is home to 4 harbor seals, and currently Sammy is working with Kim, who is our smallest and youngest seal here at Vancouver Aquarium. She came to us in 2022. It's the result of a maternal separation. Essentially, when a harbor seal is found without their mom nearby, it's super duper important because they rely on that fatty and rich milk from mom. She's rushing to now rescue. They actually discovered that she has bilateral cataracts. Essentially, means she can't see super well with both of her eyes. So she sees something well enough that she can thrive out in the ocean. Hunt herself. So she now calls Vancouver Aquarium her home and has
Pumesto sila Harold.
and she is very, very cute and very mischievous. And favorite here as well. Closest to me on the dock is Tanner Shannon, who is working with Da Vinci. Da Vinci is our oldest harbor seal here at Vancouver Aquarium. He came to us in 1998. He's older than I am. He is 27 years old, and he is an absolutely fantastic animal. He actually failed fish school when he came to the Marine Mammal Rescue Center. You may be wondering, what is fish school? That means nothing to me. It's actually something that all of the marine mammals have to pass when they come through the Marine Mammal Rescue Center to prove to the veterinarians that they'll be able to thrive and hunt for themselves out in the ocean. But Da Vinci has something called a diaphragmatic hernia, which is a hole in his diaphragm, meaning that he is unable to swallow his fish correctly. And if you're unable to swallow your fish correctly, it's going to be very, very hard to hunt for yourself out in the ocean. So that was actually the reasoning that the Department of Fisheries and Oceans Canada had for deeming him non-releasable. And he now, ever since 98, has called Vancouver Aquarium his home. So he has been with us for a very long time, and we hope to have many more years with him. You may have also noticed a lighter colored seal earlier at the far end of the dock, who's probably swimming around. If you see another lighter colored seal who looks a little like Da Vinci, you are probably looking at Donnelly. And Donnelly Donnelly is a really special case because when Donnelly was rescued after a boat strike, we weren't rescuing just one harbor seal, but two, because an ultrasound at the rescue center revealed she was actually
Napalaro yata niya yun. Kaya tumataas.
She was able to
Malaki na yun.
that pup was named Dory, and Dory was actually able to be released. We were actually able to follow Dory's movements with a tracker for about a year before it fell off her coat when she bolted her fur. So Dory is out there living her best life and living out Mom Donnelly's legacy, while Donnelly is here. She was unfortunately completely blinded as a result of that boat strike. You can actually tell her apart from the other harbor seals because she does have a scar on her forehead. You see a seal in the habitat. There was a scar on her forehead. That's actually where the best stitched her back up. Last but not least, in this habitat, there was a trainer working with Jessica Seal over in the dead habitat here. She is another dark colored seal. She is fully blind as a result of, unfortunately, an injury sustained with 20 bullet shot wounds to a shot into her head. She was actually completely blind as a result of those injuries to her head. So that is why she is here with us. Many of the animals we actually have in this habitat are hard of vision.
Pwedeng hawakan, guys. Only use your pinky finger. Rinse hands with tap water. Gentle touch. Okay?
Yung malaki.
Pwede mo hawakan. Sit down ka. Souvenir shop dito. Ayun, yung nakikita pa natin ang aquarium. Mahal naman yata yan. It's not worth it. Kakalat mo lang yan. Wow. Magkano? Uy, we're not gonna buy that. You want that?
Sige na. Get it na.
Ano ba to? Spinning LED wand. Grabe, magkano to? Kaso 5 plus patuhan eh. Ayun na, may age, $20. Pwede na ba sa kanya yun? 5 plus. O, iwanan din niya yan mamaya. Mga t-shirt to. Nakabudol ng $12.
Ayan. Tapos,
Puzzle fish mini. Wala na, pagkakawaan na yan. Dami pa Ayan, ang laki. Ang laki. Tignan mo yung kamay mo ha. Tapos grabe. Ito ang laki Ayun yung kamay ko. Puti Grabe Laki. Yun po. Ma-amaze ka talaga, Ibang klase ng isda. Laki.
parang nasa loob.
Really? Ang paslant. Ay, ang galing. Ayan siya, guys.
Glass na pala yung kala ko tayo pumasok.
Glass naman. Parang ka na nasa loob eh. Ayun yung isda Ang galing. Nalakama, ayun kakaiba. Ayun yung mga endangered na pala Liit niya Nasaan na? Ayun! Yellow and black. Ayun pa kala mo parang mga laruan lang yun. Mga hindi nagalaw. Pero buhay yan. Endangered na yan Ay, mga frog. Ano meron dito?
There's another one there.
Ayun nga! Green and black. Yun!
Kaya pala ko siguro panila.
Saan?
Di ba?
Where?
Ganyan
Ay!
talaga yung size niya.
Ayun, pula! Ayun mo!
Nabreed na nila yun. Ayun, yun nasa taas po.
Nasaan?
Ayun po, meron sa taas dun.
Gumagalaw yun, ano eh. Ayun, gumagalaw yung dahon. Ayun man, dami aso ba?
Ayun, hindi.
Oo.
Ganyan lang talaga.
Ganyan talaga ang liit. Ay, poison frog siya.
Ayun lang.
Poison frog.
Ayun o. Katakot? Ano amoy?
Amoy. Sibuya. Amoy amoy. Amoy dagat. Let's go down. Ay, may schedule of 4 p.m. Yung theater. Nako, 2:30 pa lang. Alas 4 pa. Over na sa parking. Magdadagdag ka na naman, Han.
Hindi na ako mababayad para sa'yo.
Uy, yun o, laki o. Ayun o.
Ay, malalim pala.
Sobrang lalim. Oh, shoot. Ito yung kanina nasa taas tayo?
Nagbabasag na mo.
Yun yung nasa taas tayo? Oh.
Malalim ba yan?
Malalim ma. Ayan o.
Oh, isipin mo yan yung tuktok ko.
Ay, oo.
Oh, tapos ilang feet to?
Yan.
Ay, oo.
Lagpas tao talaga.
12.
Katakot. Katakot.
More than 2 tao.
Yeah.
Ito nabasag yun, no?
Tubig, ang dami. Ang dami ng mga lumot-lumot na oh.
Ito na yata yung nag-show kanina eh.
Yun na ba yun?
Parang yung kahoy niya.
It's time to go home, guys. Si Hailey na antok na. Nap time niya. Magti 3 p.m. na eh. Mukhang nalibot naman namin na lahat. Sayang nga lang kasi may 4 p.m. na schedule ng theater to. Hindi na namin maabutan. Uwi na kami. Ayan. Saka yung parking namin. Tumatawa pa si Hailey eh. So, dito ko naman natatapos na aming vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on our next vlog. Bye! Say bye! Bye!